Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today our topic is methods of preparation of alcohols. There are many ways of making alcohol. Today we will learn about some important methods of preparation of alcohols. First, alcohol. As we know that alcohol, the term alcohol is applied to the class of organic compound having hydroxyl group attached to the alkyl part. For example, we have an alkyl group, CH3 group. To this alkyl part, OH group is attached. Similarly, CH3, CH2, OH, second member. Third member, CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Fourth member, CH3, CH2, 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 OH. In all these compounds, hydroxyl group, OH group, is attached to the carbon chain. This carbon chain is called as alkyl part, and this is the functional group. This alkyl part is represented by R and is attached to hydroxyl group. So ROH is the generic name of the alcohol. Methods of preparation of alcohol. First method, from alkyl halide, that means haloalkanes. Alkyl halides, when boiled with aqueous solution of alkali, aqueous KOH or aqueous sodium hydroxide, when boiled form alcohol. KX. For example, chloromethane, methyl chloride, when treated with aqueous potassium hydroxide, in this reaction, we know that RX is a reactive class of organic compound. Its reactivity is due to the polar nature of CX bond. CX bond is polar nature. Chlorine is more electronegative than carbon atom. It pulls the shared pair of electron towards itself and acquires delta negative charge, whereas partial positive charge is developed on the carbon atom. In aqueous solution, potassium hydroxide dissociates as K positive and OH negative. K positive combine with Cl negative to form KCl, potassium chloride. OH is more basic than chlorine, than halide. It attacks the positively charged carbon atom and result in the formation of substituted product. Substitution product OH. The product is methanol, which is alcohol. A better yield can be obtained when RX, alkyl halide, is treated with moist silver oxide. Moist silver oxide, that is Ag2O, in presence of water form AgOH, which gives alcohol in better yield. Alcohol in better yield. Primary alkyl halides. Primary alkyl halides gives alcohols better yield. Secondary alkyl halide use a mixture of alcohol and alkene, whereas tertiary alkyl halides gives alkene only due to dehydrohalogenation. For example, primary alkyl halide. Form primary alcohol. Form primary alcohol. If secondary alkyl halides are used, they gives a mixture of alcohol and alkene. Alcohol and alkene. Alcohol and alkene. Tertiary alkyl halide gives only alkene. Due to dehydrohalogenation. However, this method is not very useful for the preparation of alcohols because alkyl halides are themselves prepared from the alcohols. This method is useful for the preparation of aromatic alcohol. CH2Cl, which is prepared by the reaction of with chlorine, aqueous NaOH base form CH2OH, benzyl alcohol. Which is an aromatic alcohol. Another method for the preparation of alcohol is from carbonyl compounds. Second method, from carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compounds when treated with a reducing agent form alcohol with same carbon skeleton. Now, what are carbonyl compounds? Carbonyl compounds are the compound containing carbonyl group. Carbon doubly bonded to oxygen atom is called as the carbonyl group. This carbonyl group is present in aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde is a class of organic compound in which this carbonyl group is attached to hydrogen atom and one alkyl group, whereas in case of ketone, this carbonyl group is attached to two alkyl groups. So aldehydes and ketones are the classes of organic compound which contain carbonyl group. Carbonyl group is the group which contain carbon doubly bonded to oxygen atom. In aldehyde, this carbon doubly bonded to oxygen carbonyl group is attached to one hydrogen and one alkyl group. Whereas in case of ketone, this carbonyl group is attached to two alkyl groups. Reducing agent. Reducing agent used are number first, sodium in ethanol, hydrogen with catalyst platinum, nickel or palladium, and complex metal hydrides. Such as lithium aluminum hydride, that is lithium tetrahydroaluminate third, or sodium borohydride, that is sodium tetrahydroborate third. These are the reducing agent employed in the reduction of carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound reduced by using reducing agent to form alcohol with the same carbon skeleton. Sodium in ethanol is now replaced by the metal complex hydride. Aldehyde gives primary alcohol on reduction, whereas ketones give secondary alcohols on reduction. For example, aldehyde CH3 CHO, ethanol in presence of a reducing agent hydrogen with nickel or lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride form alcohol with same carbon skeleton. Primary alcohol, ethanol, which is a primary alcohol. On the other hand, ketones on reduction form secondary alcohol. On reduction form, similarly on reduction secondary alcohol. Propanone 2-propanol. Important point to note here that the reduction of carbonyl compound and esters to form alcohol by using alcoholic sodium is called as Bivalent blank reaction. So in short, carbonyl compound when reducing agent undergo reduction to form alcohol with same carbon skeleton. This is the second method of preparation of the alcohol from carbonyl compound by using Grignard's agents. Grignard's reagents. Carbonyl compound, when treated with Grignard reagent RMGX, alkyl magnesium halides are the Grignard reagents, form complex magnesium halide, magnesium alkoxide, which decomposes on treatment with HCl or dilute H2SO4 to form alcohol. Plus hydroxyl magnesium halide. Formaldehyde gives primary alcohol. Formaldehyde HCHO plus suppose we have CH3 MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide, which is a Grignard reagent, form complex primary alcohol. Ethanol. Other aldehydes, all aldehydes excluding formaldehyde use secondary alcohol. For example, alkyl magnesium bromide, is the secondary alcohol, 2-degree alcohol. Ketone gives tertiary alcohol on reaction with Grignard reagent. Ketones gives tertiary alcohols on reaction with Grignard reagents. For example, we have a ketone CH3 acetone on treatment with alkyl magnesium bromide gives an intermediate C which on treatment with acid form thus. By using Grignard reagents, aldehydes, all aldehydes give secondary alcohol except formaldehyde, which give primary alcohol, and all ketones give tertiary alcohol as the main product. These are main two methods of preparation of alcohols. For other methods, watch next video. Okay, thanks.